Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Wow 2 Vibes. Today I will present you a new recipe for pizza. First I will use a sartén to warm up the base of the pizza to have it crunchy. Now I will go with the heat up until 9, medium heat, and afterwards I will present you the ingredients and we'll put it in the oven. So stay tuned. Now I'll present you the ingredients, leftovers basically from the fridge. It's easy for everyone and it's a fast thing to do when you are in a hurry. So a red chili, then leftover sausage, 1 egg, 1 tomato, feta cheese, gouda, pecorino, onion, prosciutto, then black olives, olive oil, tomato paste, some oregano, black pepper, and some big grains salt. Now we will put all the ingredients on top of the pizza, and then I will show you how we will put it in the oven and for how long. So I put the tomato paste. Amazing color. Now I'll put a little bit of black pepper. Some oregano. A pinch of salt. Now I'll show you how the back of this looks like. So it's crunchy and we will crisp it up more in the oven. Now we add the tomato, fresh tomato, the onion, the feta cheese, fresh feta cheese, it's always better. And now I'll add the chili, some sausage leftover. This is like homemade sausage. And now I put the prosciutto. We add a little bit of gouda cheese. And now a little bit of pecorino. Some black olives for additional taste. The smell is amazing for these ones. And now just a sprinkle of olive oil. And this is how it looks like. Now I will put the pizza inside the oven, like 200 degrees for 15 minutes, 20 minutes approximately, until it is a nice color. Now I will add 2 eggs on top. It smells amazing. Wow factor. We have a wow factor here. It's bloody delicious just from eating it with the ice. So you can see it's already caramelized. A little bit of extra cheese. And now back to the oven for a couple of minutes until the eggs are done. Wow, what an amazing smell. This is a cracking view. Now I will take the pizza out of and I'll put it on the wow. What an amazing crack. And let's see. Wow. Oh yeah, this is it. Now we have a full egg and a running one, and now it's time for a taste. Let's see how it goes. Wow. It's amazing. Thank you for watching. And if you try it at home, please comment. Let us know your thoughts, and hope you enjoy. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.